and Gabrielin Impertes, 11A, Lion Persona, major in home economics with a specialization in food technology, representing El Salvador. Better for an equitable and sustainable society is the global theme for the International Day of Peace, which is observed every year on September 21. This reflects on growing recognition that the essence of peace is found in a variety of great and little actions and decisions that affect individual families and communities, rather than in Security Council's resolution or treaties. A world that is equitable and sustainable is one in which people have access to food, security, education, health, and justice.